The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoy this video and podcast. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. Thanks for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video I discuss court-appointed guardianships in Iowa. So first, let's talk about what an Iowa court-appointed guardian actually is. So it's an individual who has been granted legal authority by an Iowa court to take care of and have responsibility for another individual who is unable to legally take care of himself or herself, make decisions, or is incapacitated and unable to care for themselves. The responsibility of a court-appointed guardian in Iowa is going to vary depending on those assigned by the court. Iowa tends to err on the side of limiting a guardian's powers to only those absolutely necessary. The powers that a guardian has in Iowa is ultimately going to fall into two categories: actions that can be taken without prior approval by the court, and actions that require prior approval by the court. So what level of power does a court-appointed guardian have in Iowa? Well, the amount of court supervision over the guardianship ultimately depends on what the court determines the ward will need in the present and in the future. In the case of a minor, the level of guardianship is pretty straightforward, but for an adult ward, there may be a wide spectrum of what decisions and responsibilities the ward can and cannot handle on his own. A general or plenary guardianship gives the guardian nearly full control over responsibilities and decision-making power for the ward, while a limited guardianship usually assigns a specific set of responsibilities for the guardian while retaining as much freedom for the ward as possible. For court-appointed guardians for minors in Iowa, Iowa observes the superior rights of parents to maintain custody and care over their biological children. Therefore, if one or both parents are still living and capable and willing to take care of and have custody over their child, it can be very difficult to petition the courts to appoint a new guardian for the child. However, if parents have voluntarily relinquished custody of the child, or they can't physically take care of a child, the guardian will need to be appointed. Other scenarios leading to a court-appointed guardian include the parents not showing up for a court hearing, parents being deemed unfit to care for the child, and the parents knowingly and willfully compromising the child's safety on more than one occasion. For court-appointed guardians for adults, a petition for guardianship can be made by any individual concerned about the well-being of the potential ward, but the petition must contain the reasoning behind the guardianship request. Depending on the degree of incapacitation, the court may grant a limited guardianship listing what duties and responsibilities the guardian has control over, or that's a plenary or full guardianship. Any individual over the age of 18 of sound mind, not convicted of a serious crime, and is a legal resident of the United States can be a court-appointed guardian in Iowa if the court supports the petition. There are a number of agencies that can assist with the day-to-day of guardianship duties and can even legally act as the guardian of an incapacitated adult in Iowa. The most important first step to take when considering petitioning for guardianship of an adult or child in Iowa is to contact an experienced family law attorney. Please don't hesitate to give O'Flaherty Law a call at 630-324-6666 with any questions or concerns regarding guardianship in Iowa. As always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you found this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We have several geographic locations for your convenience, and we offer free consultations in many areas of law. Thank you so much for watching and listening.